So in this question you're given that two matrices x and y are such that 2x plus 3y is this matrix, 3x plus 2y is this matrix. So from these two conditions, can you find the matrices x and y? So these equations can be solved similar to solving linear equations. So you can think of them as pair of linear equations and try to solve them. So what I do is I'll try to use the elimination method. So here I'll multiply the first equation with 3 and the next equation with 2 and subtract one from the other. So if I multiply the first equation with 3, so I get 6x plus 9y is equal to, if I multiply this matrix with 3, I get 6, 9, 12, 0. Now I'll multiply the second equation with 2. So 6x plus 4y is equal to 4 minus 4 minus 2 and 10. So now if I subtract one from the other, so 6x and 6x gets cancelled. 9y minus 4y is 5 times y is equal to matrix minus matrix. That means corresponding elements have to be subtracted. 6 minus 4 is 2, 9 plus 4 is 13, 12 minus of minus 2 is plus 2, 0 minus 10 is minus 2. And y is equal to, if this 5 goes on to this side, at 1/5 of 2, 13, 14 minus 10. So this is the matrix y. Now if you want the matrix x, you can substitute this y and get the answer, or you can eliminate y instead of x and get the answer. So y has been already obtained, so x can be obtained by another elimination process. Something like I'll multiply the first equation with 2 and the next equation with 3. So this time you get 4x plus 6y is equal to 4680. And if I multiply this with 3, 9x plus 6y is equal to 6 minus 6 minus 3, 15. So if I subtract one from the other, so this time y gets cancelled. 4x minus 9x is minus 5x is equal to, so if you subtract 6, 4 minus 6 is minus 2, 6 plus 6 is 12, 8 plus 3 is 11, 0 minus 15 is minus 50. So x is equal to minus 1 by 5 times minus 2, 12, 11 minus 15. So this is the matrix x, this is the matrix y. Thank you.